Hey everybody, it's the Doll Boy, and today I'm back with a Rainbow High lookbook video. I have done a couple of these videos already in the past, and since we're all patiently waiting for the Series 3 dolls to come out, I wanted to revisit some of my older Rainbow High dolls and try different looks on them. If you like these types of videos, make sure to give this video a thumbs up already and subscribe to my channel for more doll content. In today's video, we're dressing up Kaya Hart. In preparation for the video, I already wrapped her hair around straws to give her hair a really nice and bouncy look. After getting out all of the curlers, I separated all of the curls into two sections to fluff out the hair like this. As you can see, the curls turned out very neat and really bouncy, which I really loved. I also did the cornrows that I showed in my Kaya Hart's review, and she's wearing some pieces she originally came with. For this video, I wanted to give Kaya a few different looks that are inspired by her original outfit, like those metallic silver bands. I thought it would be very fun to match that with Crystal's metallic silver bandeau top to create a full-on metallic outfit. And I really love the monochromatic look that she's got going on with this outfit. Since I do not have any silver shoes, I decided to add Kaya's signature heart-shaped heels, because I do like how the red in the heels matches with the red hearts on the pants, and how the pink matches her hair so well. I also did want to add the option of having an outfit that was a little bit less revealing, and for that, I'm gonna add her own denim jacket. I really love how there's pink and red details in that, tying in with the other pieces in the outfit, so I really like this full look too. Staying in that metallic silver color palette, I also wanted to see Kaya in Avery's silver dress that I paired with Amaya's hoodie that has rainbow letters on the sleeve. I picked out this hoodie because I thought it would be really fitting for Kaya, since her original outfit had several hoodie options too. Then the actual dress is in the metallic silver with rainbow threading, and for her footwear, I went with the white socks and Kaya's own rainbow pumps. I honestly don't remember who came with these socks, but I do really like how they make this entire look just a little more sporty. For the hair, I actually didn't change anything compared to that first look, because I really loved how that was looking already. For my next look, I will be working with Kaya's original checkered long-sleeved shirt, and I'm mixing that with the LOL OMG Downtown BB biker shorts, because that also has that checker motif. I did post this outfit on Instagram a while back, and this look actually inspired me to do this video in the first place. I really love how sporty this look is, so I felt like it was only fitting to pair it with Jet's sneakers. I really am looking forward to seeing some more flat shoes in the next series, because trying to find some fun flat shoes that matched with this outfit was a big challenge. Then to match the hair with the sporty look, I'm simply gonna pull everything up in a high ponytail, keeping in those cornrows in the front as an added detail. This Kaya doll is actually a double, because my original Kaya had some bald spots in the hairline and very loose limbs, which is why I got a second version of her. For this one, I want to keep those part lines really neat, so for my next looks, I will be using my other Kaya, whose parts have already been sacrificed to get that side parted look. I also added perm rollers to the hair as a preparation for this video. I did keep those curlers in way longer than I wanted, since I was not able to find the motivation to film this lookbook sooner, which made these curls much bigger and tighter than I wanted. That is why I did go ahead and pull that top section into a half ponytail to keep the front looking very nice and sleek, because without that ponytail, the entire hairstyle was very bulky. These big bouncy curls did remind me of Bella Parker, which is why I decided to dress Kaya in Bella's pink top with yellow print. I paired that with the yellow skirt from the Avery Styles fashion studio, because I really liked how that tied in with the yellow in the top. I really didn't know what shoes to add to this look, so I went with Bella's Brill shoes. You could even finish off that look with her pearl jacket, but personally I'm not the biggest fan of that pink on pink look that gives, so I'll just leave it like this. Then we've got one very last bonus round, because I recently found the tie-dye rainbow sweat set from Barbie that I've wanted for such a long time. And I feel like that matches Kaya's hair colors perfectly. I paired this sweat set with Sunny's golden rainbow shoes, since I wanted to go overboard with these rainbow colors. As you can see, the fit of this outfit is very oversized. So what I like to do to make it fit a little more modern is fold in the top just a little bit to make it look like a crop top. In my opinion, this just makes it look a little more like a planned outfit. Then, because I am gonna be rerouting this doll pretty soon anyways, I am willing to be extra adventurous with her and give her a big haircut. To do this, I'm spraying the hair with some water to soften up the curls a little. And then I'm just gonna go in and cut off all of that length, leaving me with a very soft ball of pastel rainbow hair in my hands and a doll with a very messy bob haircut. I did straighten out the hair and perfected the haircut off camera, resulting in this really sharp bob that I'm obsessed with. And this reveal concludes my Kaya Hart lookbook video. I really hope you enjoyed this video and got inspired to create some new looks on your own dolls. If you did, give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more upcoming videos and to see how I will reroute this Kaya doll. Also let me know in the comments which of these looks was your favorite. Then to see more pictures of my dolls, follow me on Instagram as well, @thedollboy. See you next time!